Hi Pelo, I just want to get a quick review for this one. I just gonna do the disassembly and assembly this Walther PDP compact from Germany, but the magazine is made in Italy. Okay, that's the specification of the. It's a 4.6 9x19 18 round Pro SD. So it says there made in Germany. So let's take this one out. The firearm is this one. So let's go disassemble it and reassembly. Okay, just want to show you this one. It's they manufactured December 2023, but my friend bought it March 2023. So it's right there, says Walther. That's the made in Germany. This one is the compact version with the ready optic, and they have iron sight, three dots. It's not adjustable. So like all the firearm, we need to check first. This one is clear, no round. So I slide the rack and drop it, and trigger it so that we can disassemble, like the same as the other firearm, most especially Glock. Is like this. Just push it backwards a little bit, like one port, drop this one, and it's already out. And here's the lower, and to order to take this one off, we need to unscrew this barrel, take it up, or else you're not gonna release the barrel out. So very simple. Push this one here, the coil spring, so the barrel. So here's the slide. As you can see, the very aggressive serration there. So to assembly, just do reverse. Okay, let's show you right now. So drop this barrel. As you can see, this one is thick, very hefty. Drop it and put the screw on back. Stop until snug, and you see that cut up there. Just easily drop this one, put this one in the front, insert it right there. I show you, insert it and drop this one, push a little bit forward to drop. So make sure it's aligned. Take the lower, insert like same as the different firearm. Just put it back and back to life. So make sure it's work, and put the magazine in, and that's how you disassemble and assemble the Walther PDP Compact Pro. And out. See you in my next video. Thanks for supporting me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.